Hi guys, thanks for joining me for another unbox. Today we're going to be looking at the heavy duty GPS tracker by LK GPS. So this little guy again is one of our best sellers. So this and the Slim are definitely top two performers on the store at the moment. So if you're after a GPS tracker, these units have been supremely reliable and they're very easy to get set up and start using them. So we're going to go ahead, open the box, and I'll show you what comes included with it. So inside the box you have your LK GPS tracker heavy duty. So this is a much bigger unit than what the Slim is. The battery is nearly twice as big, so the Slim has a 6,000 milliamp battery, this has a 10,000 milliamp battery, and should get you close to 4 weeks, if not over, of tracking if you're driving about 2 hours every day. So that comes in the box. You also get your USB AC adapter, your USB charge cable, and a little leaflet of instructions, but we do send out a little quick sheet for you. And if you keep watching the video, I'll show you all the commands needed to get the unit up and running, and also how to use the LK GPS app, what it looks like, and how to get the most out of it. So join us, and we're going to go ahead and put a SIM card in this guy. I'm going to turn it on, and then we're going to show you how it all gets working together. Thanks for joining us, guys. As always, don't hesitate to shoot us an email, support@thespystore.com.au, or give us a call if you have any questions or queries regarding any of our products.